Good morning, students. In our previous video, we discussed one of the identity, that is a plus b plus c whole square, that equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So already we did some of the problems which are related to that identity. Now with the help of same identity we have to factorize one of the given polynomial. Okay, how to factorize it? Factorization means what? The given polynomial can be expressed as product of two or more polynomials. Okay, how to factorize it? Okay, so some negative signs also there. So first of all we have to identify, okay, which is the common variable of that negative terms. Okay, we have two negative terms. Okay, xy is there and xz is there. Now which is the common variable here? X is the common variable. X is the common variable. So now the x term becomes negative term. That means this is perfect square. This can be written as minus 5x whole square. That means a square. Now remaining 4y whole square plus 4 also perfect square, 2 square z square, that means 2z whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square. How to write this is negative integer? Very simple. Here minus 40 xy is there, minus 20 xz is there. Both are negative terms. Okay, how to identify which term has a negative number? So simply, which is the common variable of both literal factors? What is that? Xy is there, xz is there. Which is the common literal here? That is x. So in x term be negative. That is the identification. Okay, so remaining okay, minus plus okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. 2a means minus 5x and b means 4y. Okay, now you multiply them. 2 into minus 5 minus 10 into 4 minus 40 x into y xy. Next plus okay, 2ab plus 2bc, b equal to 4y and c equal to 2z. 4 2 is 8, 8 into the 16yz. Last and final plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. 2c, c means 2z and a minus 5x. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10 into 2 minus 20 xy. That means this is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. Here a equal to minus 5x and b equal to 4y and c equal to 2z. Okay. Now the given polynomial can be factorized. How? Very simple. 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz is equal to a plus b plus c. Here a equal to minus 5x plus b equal to 4y and plus c equal to 2z. Okay, so now the given polynomial can be expressed as product of two another polynomials. What are they? Minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z into minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z. So this is known as factorization. That means the given polynomial can be expressed as product of two another polynomial. This is known as factorization. The same question, how to factorize the given polynomial. Now have to write perfect squares. 9a square, 4b square and 16c square. These are perfect squares. Okay. Now how to identify the negative term here? Okay. Here we have two negative terms, 1 and 2. Okay. So which is the common variable here? C is the common variable. That means the term C has negative coefficient. Okay. So minus 16BC minus 24CA. Both are negative terms. They are having C is the common variable. So that means C coefficient is negative. Okay. So this can be written as 3A whole square. 4 means 2 square B square. 2B whole square. And 16 means 4 square C square. That means 4C whole square. Okay. So A square B square C square over plus 2A B. Here A 3A. Here A equal to 3A. Okay. Next to which is the common variable here? C. That C term has negative. So that means minus 4C whole square. Okay. A square B square C square. Okay. C is minus 4C and B is 2. Okay. So plus 2A, A means 3A and B equal to 2B. Plus 2B, C, B, 2B and C equal to minus 4. And last and final plus 2CA. C means minus 4C and A means 3A. Okay. Now you observe here 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, plus 12. 2 2 is 4, minus 4. 4 plus 4 into minus 4, minus 16 BC. And last and final, okay, 3 2 is 6, 6 into minus 4, minus 24 CA. Now this is in the form of A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC and 2CA. So here A equal to 3A, B equal to 2B and C equal to minus 4C. Substitute it. Therefore, 9A square plus 4B square plus 16C square plus 12AB minus 16BC minus 24CA is equal to A. A means 3A plus B 2B and C equal to minus 4. Okay? Plus of minus. Okay? So, the given polynomial can be expressed as product of two polynomials. Okay, this can be written as 3A plus 2B minus 4C into 3A plus 2B minus 4C. So the given polynomial can be expressed as product of two polynomials. This is known as factorization.